Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to test using the Terraform commands what AMI ID it is going to return when we run the Terraform plan and then apply. So we'll go back to our terminal and we'll go to 06 Terraform data sources and inside the Terraform manifest. And we'll say Terraform init to download the provider. And once downloaded, we are going to run the Terraform validate command. So let's run the Terraform validate command, and next we'll run the Terraform plan command. So our requirement here is to bring the latest one. Okay, so the latest AMI ID as on today available for Amazon Linux is this one, 4892. Okay, so let me copy this and go here and then search for it. Okay, right, so this is the one available and I need to get this. Okay, as on today this is the one latest and it should be displayed for us whenever I say Terraform plan. If it is not displaying, then we need to go to the filters and try to get that, optimize our filters to get that. So let's go back to Terraform plan, and if you go here, see, our AMI ID got displayed is different one. Okay, so our expectation is whatever is showing here. Okay, so in launch instances, so whatever is coming here. Okay, so this is the one, the latest means in Amazon Linux this should be the latest for us, but it is showing something different. Okay, so let's see what is it exactly. Okay, so let's go back to here and then copy this AMI. Okay, and go to AMIs and open the images here, right, and see what exactly is it. So search for the AMI ID, what it displayed for us right now. Okay, in the public images. Now if you see, this is one more image generated on March 2nd 2021. Maybe it might be the latest one, but is it the same one whatever we are searching for? Okay, so if we make the name bigger, then you can see this is some image which has also the SQL 2017 Express also present inside this. We are expecting a plain Amazon Linux 2 latest image which looks like this, whose name looks like this. Okay, but in addition to -gp2, later also it is displaying some other SQL 2017 Express 2021 225 something, all these things. Okay, so which means this is some customized image provided by Amazon for SQL 2017 Express. Okay, so this is not we are expecting. We are expecting whatever it is displaying here, which is 4892, right? So what we need to do is we need to go and then change the AMI name accordingly for us. Okay, so Amazon to AMI HVM star we said. Okay, so at the end we can add something like -gp2 or like that. Okay, so let me go here and I will say -gp2 in the AMI data source. And now one more time, so let me clear this and run the Terraform plan. So if it gets the latest one, we are good, right? So like this we need to alter our filters. Okay, so there is a, so let's go here and then cross check first. Okay, let's go up, go up, go up. See, 77E4892. So 77E4892, 77E4892. See, we got it. So like this, you need to keep increasing your filters to get the valid one whatever you need. That is one option. Okay, and whenever you add the most recent is equal to true, the latest recent one whatever is available based on the filters, you will get one value. If you comment this, right, so these are some of the things which we need to know. If I comment this and then run it, so it will display a lot of values for us. Okay, so if I run Terraform plan, it is going to provide the result of many AMIs ideally. Okay, so most recent is equal to true, I have commented it out. You can see your query returned more than one result. So our data sources query resulted more than one result. So please try a more specific search. Okay, either you can enable most recent is equal to true, or there will be one more option available for you. Okay, which is nothing but name regex. Okay, so you can implement a name regex here, right? So you can implement a name regex here and you should be thorough in your regex expressions to implement this, and a regex string to apply to the AMI list returned by AWS. So now whenever you set this, right, so whenever you didn't say most recent, so with this, when it called, it has this, it has sent a lot of AMIs for us, okay, the huge amount of AMIs. But what AMI you need, you can add this name regex and then filter that using name regex. But where it is happening at your Terraform side, means like on your local, it is towards your side, which means there will be also a performance impact if the result is large. So it is recommended to combine this with other options to narrow down the list AWS returns. Okay, so this is one important thing you need to know. If you are using name regex, so you have the performance impact. So our core criteria is with most recent true, my current requirement is satisfied. Based on your requirement, you need to write these things. Okay, and another thing is, these are the filters I applied now. But if you see here in the describe images here in the filter, so there will be huge amount of filters available for us from AWS describe images perspective. So there are a lot of options available for you. So if you read this documentation, so you, based on this, you can create your own filter based on your requirements. So that's about it. So we have run the Terraform plan and we got the 4892 earlier, right? So 4892, whatever is expected, we got it. So this completes, means like if you want, you can say Terraform apply auto approve and then run it and then create, and then it will create the, so to complete your complete use case, it will install the simple web server on that, and then you can access that and then test it if you want. Okay, so it is running. So let's wait for it to complete and then access it and then clean up the stuff. But this is the fix you need to do, means like your filters should be thorough to get what you needed. Okay, so that's very important when you are dealing with this type of data sources and when it is returning multiple results. Okay, how you want to handle also you can learn from the documentation. Okay, so now this will create and then you can access the application and then clean up I'll do offline. Okay, so it will take a while to install the web server, so let's wait for it. Usually it will take a minute or two to install the web server once the server is booted. Okay, so let me see, it's available now. So this is successful, which means whatever we have tested end to end is good. So let me refresh this and go to that respective EC2 instance, and if we want we can verify the AMI ID here also. Okay, so you can see 77E4892. That's about it. So now we are going to clean up the stuff. Okay, so rmin, so I'll say Terraform destroy auto approve will clean up the EC2 instance created, and I'll also clean up other two folders, whatever .terraform and then terraform.tf state, and also the backup folder. So I'll see you in the next lecture with another topic. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.